In a quiet winter forest, a small mouse was having a difficult time. Nearby, a big bear was sleeping deeply and snoring very loudly. The poor mouse couldn't sleep at all because of the loud snores. He thought, maybe the lion, the king of the forest, can help me. The mouse asked the lion to wake the bear, but the lion refused. Soon after, the lion was in pain because tiny fleas were biting him. The mouse noticed the lion suffering and decided to help him. The small mouse bravely removed the fleas, and the lion felt better. He said, "Thank you, little friend. I was wrong to ignore you." The lion roared, waking the bear, who stopped snoring immediately. The forest became peaceful again, and the mouse could finally sleep. The lion learned that even the smallest friend can make a big difference.